Imagine a world in the throes of the 12th century, a time of crusaders and caliphs, of heroism and historical turning points. In this era, one name stands out: Saladin. A military tactician par excellence, a leader of men, and the nemesis of the Crusaders during the Third Crusade, Saladin's influence still resonates today. Saladin, or as history knows him, Salah-ad-Din Yusuf ibn Ayyub, was born in Tikrit, in modern-day Iraq. He emerged from obscurity to become the Sultan of Egypt and Syria, leading his armies to victories that would shape the course of history. His rise to power was nothing short of extraordinary. Saladin abolished the Fatimid Caliphate in Egypt, realigning the region with the Abbasid Caliphate. His influence expanded, his empire growing to encompass vast territories across the Middle East. Arguably, Saladin's most significant military achievement was at the Battle of Hattin in 1187. In a masterstroke of military strategy, he led his forces to a decisive victory over the Crusaders, resulting in the capture of Jerusalem and re-establishing Muslim dominance in the region. His victories were not only a testament to his military prowess, but also his ability to unite disparate Muslim factions against a common enemy. But Saladin was not just a warrior. He was also a patron of education and the arts, promoting the growth of Sufism and opposing extremist sects like the Order of Assassins. His reign saw a flourishing of culture and learning, painting a vivid picture of a leader who valued knowledge as much as he did power. Saladin's legacy, however, extends beyond his military victories and cultural patronage. Known for his piety, he embodied the virtues of bravery, honor, and generosity, earning him respect from both Muslim and Christian leaders. His treatment of non-Muslims under his rule, allowing Christians and Jews to live and worship freely, is a testament to his commitment to religious tolerance and coexistence. His death in 1193 marked the end of an era, but his influence lived on. He left behind a legacy that continues to be celebrated today. The founder of the Ayyubid dynasty, Saladin's impact on the Middle East was profound, his reign leading to almost a century of stability and prosperity. In summary, Saladin was a remarkable figure whose contributions to history are immeasurable. A skilled military strategist, a unifying leader, a patron of culture, and a beacon of religious tolerance, his legacy is a testament to the power of unity, courage, and wisdom. His story serves as a compelling reminder that even in times of conflict and upheaval, extraordinary leaders can emerge, shaping history in ways that continue to resonate centuries later.